Good day, I'm Carrie Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Thursday, August 25. Jamaica's economy is expected to grow between the range of 0.5 and 1.5% for the July to September quarter of this fiscal year. The Planning Institute of Jamaica PIOJ made the forecast during its quarterly briefing yesterday. Newly appointed Director General Dr. Wayne Henry says the projection is based on the 1.1% outturn for the April to June period. Economic growth for the first 6 months of the calendar year also increased by 0.9% as the goods producing industry recorded 1.6% growth and the services industry grew by 0.8%.
Higher output was estimated for all industries, with the exception of mining and quarrying down 1.4% and producers of government services down 0.2%. The industries with the largest increases during the period were agriculture, forestry and fishing, up 4.9%, electricity and water supply, up 5.4%, and hotels and restaurants, up 2%.
PIOJ's Director General says there is also continued strengthening in business and consumer confidence, boosted by the anticipated positive 13th quarter review by the IMF's Executive Board. Public sector nurse practitioners are the latest group of healthcare professionals to sign the 2015-2017 Heads of Agreement with the government. The signing took place at the Finance Ministry yesterday. The 2-year wage deal calls for a 4% salary increase in year 1 and 3% in year 2. Minister of State with responsibility for the public service, Rudyard Spencer, lauded union representatives for their tolerance and understanding of the issues, adding that government was offering the best it could afford.
Indeed, sometimes we would love to give more. But now more than ever, when you're under the dictates of the IMF, you really can't give more.
The agreement also includes provisions for education and training.
A grant of $1 million for nurse practitioners. We believe that whilst it is a drop in the bucket, we believe that it is a good start and it is an indication that we are heading in the right direction.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says his administration will be placing emphasis on ensuring that the secondary education system is more flexible to fit the needs of students.
Teachers have to teach according to how the students learn and not the other way around. And we have to strengthen our value system so that our students can place the bombardment of information that they will receive in context so that they can become better individuals with strong characters to withstand the turbulence of the world in which we live.
Mr. Holness was giving the main address at Wednesday's GSET Awards ceremony for children of staff at the offices of the Prime Minister and the Cabinet. As he congratulated the students, the Prime Minister reminded them to continue working hard. The Ministry of Education has increased the maintenance grant provided to schools in its Region 6 division. That includes schools in Clarendon and St. Catherine.
Beginning this year, for primary all-age, infant, and junior high schools, you will see in the first part of the financial year, that's up to April, you'll see a 90% increase in your maintenance grant. And I'm expecting another 60% next year.
The Education Minister made the announcement recently during a back-to-school conference for schools in Region 6.
At the moment, as we speak, we are dispatching the maintenance grant to your schools.
The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, is urging students turning 12 years old to update their smarter card profiles before the August 28 deadline set for them to do so. This is required so they can continue benefiting from the concessionary fare rate of $30. The smarter card profiles can be updated at any JUTC location. These include the Spanish Town and Halfway Tree Transport Centers, as well as the JUTC offices in Greater Portmore and East Parade in downtown Kingston. Students who do not update their profiles to reflect their age will be required to pay the adult fare of $100. And finally, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has extended Jamaica's solidarity with and support for the government and people of Italy in the wake of a devastating earthquake which has killed scores of persons so far. Mr. Holness expressed his sympathies in a letter to Prime Minister Matteo Renzi of the Republic of Italy. He also expressed hope that there would be a speedy recovery in affected areas and that the resilience of the people of central Italy would enable them to overcome the impact of the tragedy. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Kerry Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.